There's this a funny little bird in my screen porch. I'll get him out. It's just he's so cool. Where'd he go? Oh, see, watch. Hi, bird. There you go. When he walks, it's funny. You just have to stay still. See, watch, I'll try to walk. Where'd he go? There he is. He's right there. Oh, there he is. Yeah. Oh, he's gone. Okay. Bye-bye, birdie. Oh, that's cool. He's in the... Okay, I'm getting bored. Let's open these doors up. Let him be free. Oh, woodpecker. Oh yeah, and some of his bird friends were trying to get him out. Like, they were on the side. Where'd he go? I had to scare him out. Get out of here, bird. Can't you see that I don't want you anymore? Get out of here. Oh my god, he's still not out. He's just sitting there.